Over 60? Eat these 4 nuts before bed to restore clear vision. Naturally, if you're over 60 and your eyesight isn't as sharp as it used to be, blurry signs, halos around lights, trouble reading at night, or eyes that feel dry and tired, you are not alone. Millions of seniors deal with these symptoms every single day, and most of them quietly worry about something no one likes to say out loud. Am I slowly losing my vision? The truth is, fading eyesight isn't just old age. Most of the time, it's a buildup of inflammation, poor circulation, and missing nutrients, the 3 things that silently weaken your retina and damage the delicate tissues inside your eyes. And here's the part many people don't know. Most of this damage happens at night, while you sleep. But here's the good news. There are a few simple, natural foods you may already have at home, that can help nourish your eyes while you sleep, restore moisture, protect your retina, and even support clearer morning vision. No supplements, no expensive eye drops, and no complicated routines. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 powerful nuts that seniors over 60 should eat before bed to naturally support clearer vision, stronger eye tissues, and calmer, less irritated eyes. These foods are gentle, scientifically supported, and perfect for anyone looking for a safe, natural way to protect their sight. And if this is your first time here, welcome to Healthy Everyday, the place where seniors get simple, honest, science-based health tips designed to help you stay strong, independent, and confident as you age. If you appreciate clear explanations made especially for older adults, go ahead and hit subscribe. You deserve to feel informed and supported every step of the way. Now, let's look inside your eyes after 60 and discover how these 4 simple nuts can help you start restoring clearer vision starting tonight. 1. Walnuts. If you're over 60, walnuts are one of the simplest natural foods that can strengthen your eyesight. Most people think walnuts only help the heart or the brain, but they also play a powerful role in protecting your eyes as you age. After 60, the body slowly loses healthy fats that keep the retina, optic nerve, and brain well supported. When these fats drop too low, you may notice familiar changes. Your eyes get tired faster, dim light becomes harder to see in, switching from bright to dark rooms takes longer, and nighttime reading feels blurry or uncomfortable. Walnuts are rich in ALA omega-3, a special fat that improves blood flow to the eyes, reduces inflammation, and protects the optic nerve from oxidative stress. This helps your vision feel clearer and your eyes feel less strained. Walnuts also support the eye-brain connection, which is why many seniors report better focus and faster visual response when they eat them regularly. I once worked with Margaret, a 72-year-old artist who stopped painting because her vision felt foggy. She told me the colors looked dull and her eyes felt heavy. Instead of giving her supplements, I asked her to eat 3 to 4 walnuts before bed each night. No drops, no medication, just simple nourishment. 3 weeks later, she walked in with a new painting of bright sunflowers and said, "My eyes feel awake again." Walnuts work especially well at night because that's when your eyes repair themselves. While you sleep, your body reduces inflammation, rebuilds nerve cells, and restores moisture to the delicate tissues inside your eyes. Eating 3 to 4 walnuts 1 to 2 hours before bed gives your body exactly what it needs to support this natural restoration. This small nightly habit can make your morning vision feel clearer, calmer, and more stable. All from something as simple as a walnut. 2. Pistachios. If walnuts strengthen the connection between your eyes and your brain, pistachios act like bodyguards for your retina. Many people think of pistachios as just a snack, but they are one of the few nuts that naturally contain both lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients your eyes depend on more than almost anything else. These nutrients work like built-in sunglasses inside your eyes. They filter out the harsh blue light that comes from sunlight, phone screens, TV screens, and even bright indoor lighting. After age 60, the retina, especially the macula responsible for sharp central vision, becomes much more sensitive to this light. That's why many seniors say driving at night feels more dangerous, headlights feel too bright, or reading under a lamp causes strain. When your macula doesn't get enough lutein and zeaxanthin, glare increases, contrast drops, and vision starts to feel dim or less sharp. Pistachios naturally refill these protective pigments, helping the retina stay strong, flexible, and resilient. They also contain healthy fats that help your body absorb these nutrients more effectively, which is especially important for older adults. One of my patients, Frank, 68, told me he stopped driving at night because headlights felt blinding. He described it as looking through a faint haze. Instead of giving him eye drops or glasses, I asked him to add a small handful of pistachios to his evening routine. Nothing complicated, just one simple food swap. After 2 months, he called sounding relieved. He said, "I'm driving again at night, and for the first time in years, I'm not afraid of the dark." That's the power of nourishing your retina from the inside out. Pistachios help strengthen the macula, reduce glare sensitivity, improve night vision, and support clearer contrast. Even a small daily amount can make a meaningful difference for adults over 60. A handful in the evening gives your eyes the protective pigments they need to stay safe and steady throughout the night and into the morning. 3. Brazil nuts, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. As we get older, many of us wake up with eyes that feel dry, irritated, or slightly red, even if we slept through the night. For some seniors, that discomfort lasts all day. It feels like the eyes are tired, inflamed, or working harder than they should. Instead of relying only on eye drops, real relief often starts deeper inside the body, and that's where Brazil nuts make a surprising difference. Brazil nuts are one of the richest natural sources of selenium, a trace mineral that the eyes rely on to control inflammation. Even though the body needs only a small amount, selenium plays a big role in keeping the tissues inside the eye calm and protected. When selenium levels are low, the eyes become more sensitive to dryness, redness, and irritation. Many older adults don't realize that they're deficient because the symptoms show up slowly: blurry patches that come and go, a burning feeling in the afternoon, or a sense that the eyes tire out too quickly. Selenium helps reduce this inflammation and also supports vitamin E, another antioxidant that protects the delicate membranes around the eyes. Together, they keep the tissues moist, flexible, and less prone to irritation. I once worked with George, a 74-year-old retired teacher who carried artificial tears everywhere. He described his vision as looking through fogged glass on some days. When we reviewed his diet, he wasn't getting any meaningful selenium. I suggested one simple change: eat one Brazil nut a day in the evening. Not a handful, just one. Along with better hydration, that small change made a noticeable difference. A month later, he told me, "My eyes feel calm again. I don't wake up with that burning feeling anymore." Brazil nuts work so well because selenium helps the eyes recover from the inflammation that builds up throughout the day. Eating one nut in the evening supports the body's natural repair process at night. It's gentle, easy, and effective for seniors who want to reduce dryness, soothe irritation, and keep their eyes comfortable from the moment they wake up. 4. Hazelnuts, the moisture keeper. As we move into our 60 seconds and 70 seconds, another quiet change begins to happen inside the eyes. It's not just about blurry text or dim light. It's the slow loss of moisture, flexibility, and the soft, comfortable feeling the eyes used to have. Many seniors describe waking up with scratchy eyes, tearing for no reason, or vision that gets blurry after reading for only a few minutes. What many people don't realize is that these issues often begin with a gradual loss of collagen in the eye tissues. Collagen helps maintain the structure of the cornea, the lens, and even the tiny blood vessels that nourish the eyes. When collagen breaks down, the eyes dry out faster and lose the smooth surface needed for clear vision. Hazelnuts provide one of the most helpful nutrients for protecting that structure: vitamin E. Vitamin E helps keep the membranes of the eye moist, strong, and resistant to oxidative stress. It works even better when paired with healthy fats, which hazelnuts naturally contain. Together, these nutrients help the eye maintain moisture, reduce irritation, and slow the breakdown of collagen. This is especially important for seniors who feel like their eyes tire out faster or become watery due to dryness. I remember a woman named Evelyn, age 69, who came to me frustrated because her eyes watered constantly. It looked like she had too much lubrication, but the real problem was the opposite. Her eyes were extremely dry. Her body was simply overcompensating. She said, "It's embarrassing. People think I'm crying, but I just can't see clearly." Instead of artificial tears, I recommended adding a small handful of hazelnuts before bed, along with other eye-friendly foods. It was simple, natural, and gentle. A month later, she returned smiling. Her eyes were no longer red or watery. She said, "I can finally look people in the eye again without worrying." Hazelnuts help the eyes hold moisture through the night and support collagen so the tissues stay flexible and strong. For seniors who struggle with dryness, irritation, or blurry vision after reading, this small nighttime habit can make mornings feel clearer and more comfortable. A small handful of hazelnuts in the evening is enough to support the natural moisture your eyes rely on every day. 5. The nighttime eye healing ritual. Now that you've learned what each nut can do, here's the part most people never hear about. Your eyes do most of their repair work at night. While you sleep, the body switches into restoration mode. Inflammation goes down, cells regenerate, and the fragile tissues inside your eyes start rebuilding themselves. But this repair can only happen if your body has the right nutrients to work with. Without them, you may sleep 8 hours and still wake up with dry, blurry, or tired eyes. That's why a simple nighttime ritual can make such a powerful difference for adults over 60. It takes only a few minutes, requires no cooking, and uses foods you already know. In the evening, enjoy a few walnuts to strengthen the connection between your eyes and your brain. Add a small handful of pistachios to protect your retina from glare and blue light damage. Eat one Brazil nut to soothe inflammation and support natural moisture. Then include a few hazelnuts to protect collagen and keep the eyes hydrated through the night. This isn't a diet, and it's not a supplement routine. It's a gentle ritual that signals to your body it's time to repair. You can pair it with a warm, unsweetened herbal tea like chamomile or lemon balm, which helps you relax and may support better absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Then put the screens down, sit quietly for a moment, and let your body ease into rest. Many seniors who follow this ritual tell me the same things. They wake up without that dry, gritty feeling. Their eyes feel calmer and more comfortable. Reading the morning paper feels easier. Night glare becomes less intense, and they didn't do anything extreme. They simply gave their eyes what they needed at the time of day when repair is most active. This is the part no one talks about. You don't need complicated treatments or expensive drops to support healthier vision. You just need small, consistent habits that nourish your eyes while you sleep. One handful, one quiet moment, one simple act of care each night can help your eyes feel clearer and stronger with time. As we get older, it's easy to believe that fading eyesight is simply part of aging. But the truth is, your eyes are still capable of healing, strengthening, and staying clear when you give them the right support. You don't need complicated treatments or expensive prescriptions to take care of your vision. Most of the time, the body just needs simple, consistent nourishment to do what it already knows how to do. The nighttime ritual. You've learned today isn't magic. It's a gentle way to help your eyes restore themselves while you sleep. A few walnuts for healthy nerves. A handful of pistachios for macular protection. One Brazil nut to calm inflammation. A few hazelnuts to keep your eyes moist and comfortable. These small choices, done regularly, can help your mornings feel brighter and your vision feel steadier. Your age does not define your eyesight. Your past habits do not limit your future healing. It's never too late to give your body what it needs. Start tonight. Give your eyes a moment of care. Support them while you rest. One small ritual can create real change. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If this message helped you, please click like and share it with someone who may need a little hope. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next simple tip that can help you stay strong, confident, and independent as you age. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed changes in your vision lately? Have you tried any of these foods before? Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to feel encouraged.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It